What is sprinkler irrigation? Sprinkler irrigation is a type of irrigation that uses water sprayed through nozzles to watering plants. It is used extensively in agriculture, especially for row crops, and other areas where irrigation is needed. Sprinkler irrigation systems can be either portable or permanently installed. Portable systems are often used in agricultural settings, and permanent systems are found in both agricultural and non-agricultural contexts. Sprinkler irrigation has many advantages over other types of irrigation. It is highly efficient, using less water than other methods. It is also more flexible, since it can be used to water different types of plants at different times. Additionally, sprinkler irrigation can be used in areas where other methods would be impractical, such as on steep slopes. Disadvantages of sprinkler irrigation include the potential for water loss through evaporation and wind drift. Additionally, sprinklers can be damaged by animals or debris, and they require a reliable water source. Despite these potential drawbacks, sprinkler irrigation is an effective and efficient way to water plants. It is used extensively in agriculture and other contexts where irrigation is needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.